following is a selected video from masterthecontent.com, where you will find an extensive video library of lectures for a variety of standardized admission tests. We offer over 600 hours of detailed video lectures for a multitude of standardized tests. Use our interactive in-lecture table of contents to find specific topics of interest. Work through numerous in-lecture examples to help you internalize concepts. To learn more, visit masterthecontent.com. Your career, our passion.
Into two. So you can think of this as their ability to reseal themselves. They can break or split apart and reseal themselves without actually rupturing or causing loss of the cellular contents. Now, besides being pliable or flexible, and besides their self-sealing properties, plasma membranes are also what we call selectively permeable. And that's a property that we're going to examine in the next slide. So moving on. Here we're going to talk about selective permeability. Now, if a cell is to survive, to grow, to thrive, and to develop, it must be able to communicate with both its internal and its external environment. So nutrients have to be able to pass into it, waste products have to be able to pass out of it, and it must also have some way to facilitate the reception and what we call the transduction of external cellular signals that might come from outside the cell. So, direct your attention to the screen. We're going to talk about what we call selective permeability. Now, selective permeability, as defined on the screen right there, is a property of plasma membranes that enables them to selectively discriminate and control the substances that can pass across them into the interior of the cell. So what a plasma membrane will do is that it will allow specific substances to be imported into the cell's interior, but it's going to block the import of others. It's going to block the import and the export of others. So I'm going to direct your attention to figure 4, which gives you a visual appreciation of what I mean by semi-permeability. Now, in this figure, the orange colored structure with the holes is representative of a plasma membrane. And as you can see, the molecules of small size, the purple, yellow, and green, can actually pass through, but the larger molecules, the red ones, are not able to do so. So smaller particles you'll find will not have much of a problem passing through, but larger ones will have that issue. Now, in figure 5 at the bottom of the screen,